Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to wrap the function e to the power of s and s squared minus 1. The graph should be like this. About this one is about e to the power of s. This one is about s squared minus 1. Should be like this. So we know that s equal to negative number 1 and s equal to number 1. That's it from here. When we put number 1 in here or negative number 1 in here, you got about 0. That should be from here. And this is about negative number 1. This is about positive number 1. Now, they want to find this area in here. So, we see that this one is about y equals to e to the power of s. This curve in here is about y equal to s squared minus 1. So, we see that this one is about upper. This one is about lower. So we can set up about the integration of the area. Should be the integral from negative number 1 to positive number 1. And we have e to the power of s. They go first because this is about upper minus lower. That's about s squared minus 1. So for this one, we have negative s squared plus 1 ds. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of s minus s to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have s. And we put about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So we put number 1 going here. Negative number 1 going here. We simplify this one with this one. We have 4 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.